So I wanted to address this right here. So first of all, I'm not pushing anything, but I am promoting Legendary Marketer. Here's why. One, it is a course that teaches you how to run a business, how to build a business online as an affiliate marketer. That is something that I definitely wanted to do. Now, here's the thing. You do not have to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate marketer, and I'm going to explain why. One of the reasons that I chose Legendary Marketer is it's a pre-built business. Everything was already there for me. I just had to plug in a few things to get it up and running. So I wanted something that was easy, quick, and that I could get, start today, start running today by promoting this and build my business all at the same time. Here is the main reason. I started promoting Legendary because it is a high ticket item, and I explained that in a different video. So I can make 1 or 2 sales off of this product and earn a decent income. Now, I can promote other things because there are several different niches that you can choose. You can choose anything that you love, anything that you can talk about for hours, but I'm choosing this one. I'm also going to make other videos explaining to you the different things you can promote to start your business if you're interested in being an affiliate marketer.